we're a little sheltered in kind of the East Coast, mostly because there's just not that much land in a lot of the metropolitan areas that we're in, and a lot of the real estate investors are here. I don't know if there's necessarily proof or data on this, but like I kind of look at it as we're in areas that a lot of these neighborhoods are like resetting. They're built in the 40s, they're built in the 50s, maybe even the 60s, where the whole neighborhood needs to be torn down and rebuilt, completely renovated. And the current owner's not there. So for instance, in areas that you might buy 1,000 homes there's probably a lot of inventory, let's call it, to buy, but there's also demand for housing there. Here there's kind of consistent demand all the time,